Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we are going to explain what we do and how you can make money using our tools. Okay, that's the idea. Why we do it? Because some users ask how to become a reseller, how to become even a country manager, or how to become a white label a user so you can sell to your clients. So but first we want to give you a quick overview of what we do, and so you understand what you can sell. We are Chatwith. We help micro businesses using WhatsApp to get more clients. Email is dead. We focus on micro businesses, and we focus on companies in the service category. That means outdoor, real estate, cosmetic and beauty, healthcare, education. This is what we do. So if you are in this segment, if you have clients in this area, if you more or less have experience in these categories, obviously you can use our technology to get more clients. That's the main idea. We give you very nice tools. We constantly update and improve our technology. So this is everything for you to keep going, so you can sell and make money using our platform. Now, how you can make money? There are two options: white label and reseller. Okay, what is white label? White label means you're going to host your own solution. You're going to use your brand. You're going to do the onboarding, and you can define the pricing up to you, because the user is going to understand, work under your brand, under your solution. Let me show you. When you create a white label solution, the user is going to, let me log out. The user is going to see your brand, your domain, everything. Everything is under your control. You do the onboarding. That means you need to create the account for the user, and then you share access to that user under your account. Okay, but the user belongs to you. The user belongs to you 100%. Okay, so you're going to tell him, hey, access to your account plus Google Ads, design, website. I don't know. I mean, we are a part of your offering. No, you have your offering, and you want to add what we do. So white label is a very nice solution. Okay, but it's your pricing, your onboarding, your brand. Okay, 100% unlimited, and very important, you keep 100% of the revenue. Okay, because you do everything. You pay us one license, you can have unlimited clients. That's the rules. Okay, you can make as much money as you can. Okay, no limits. The pricing is 100% yours. If you want to charge 150 to 1,000, whatever, completely up to you. We don't control, we don't limit, we don't block you. Everything is completely up to you. But it's your onboarding, it's your brand, it's your support. Everything belongs to you. Okay. So white label, very easy. You can create an account today, create a white label, start working in 2 hours from now. Okay. I'm going to share the video about how to set up the white label in your account. Okay. So you know everything, and you can carry on as far as you can, as you want. Okay. 100% unlimited. Reseller. What is a reseller? Reseller is our pricing, our onboarding, our brand. Okay. You are going to share the landing page that we are going to give you, so you can share it with your clients, and your clients create an account on their own with our onboarding, and they become our clients. Okay. It's not your client, it's our client. And you take 50% of the pricing. As long as the customer is paying, you take 50% forever. If the customer is with us 2 years, you're making money out of that client. 50%. That's it. Very easy to understand, very easy to use, very easy to do everything. Why is interesting to become a reseller? Because you just need to share a link we are going to give you. The user is going to create an account, and we are going to pay you 50% of the money you make. That's it. Very simple, straightforward. We are going to give you here your name. I mean, the users will know this belongs to you. And when the user creates an account, the user is going to be linked to you. And we do the onboarding. And if the user pays, you're going to see the commission in your page. White label, reseller. White label, your pricing, your onboarding, your brand. Reseller, our pricing, you take 50%, but you don't need to do anything. You send us users, we will manage those users, we will help them, support everything, training, and you take 50%. hope you like it. Those are the two options for you, to make money. I mean, white label, I will say, I will say white label is you have a company, an agency, and you want to expand your offering. White label makes sense. Reseller, you have a channel that is, generating leads, you are generating users, maybe you have a blog, maybe you have a YouTube channel, maybe you have something like that, and you just want to, send traffic because they are going to create an account and you take 50%. That's it. I mean, let's say you have some, blog tutorial where you explain users, how to make websites, how to make Google Ads, how to make, I don't know, digital content. And hey, you explain, this is a nice tool. This is going to help you, to do X, Y, Z. This is something for you, if you want to engage with customers using WhatsApp. So you can explain what we do. You put the link, you send the user to create an account, and you take 50%. That's it. Super simple. So I think those are the two ways to make money. Those are the two, I think, options based on your profile. And those are two ways for you to make money with us. So, hope you like it. We are here to help you. If you have questions, if you want to have a chat and, share with us, your business, how you want to do it, all that, obviously we want to work with you. And, we are here to help you. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.